Welcome to the top best. The best Fillable K Cups is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly ways to enjoy your favorite coffee or tea with your Keurig machine, allowing you to break free from the limitations of pre-packaged pods and explore a world of flavor possibilities while significantly reducing waste and saving money in the long run. Imagine brewing your unique blend every morning, knowing you're making a sustainable choice that benefits both your wallet and the planet, all with the convenience you expect from your Keurig brewer. This guide will delve into what makes a Fillable K Cup truly stand out, ensuring you get the perfect brew every single time. Number 5. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement 12-pack. Enjoy a perfect fit with our replacement filters. They are designed to be compatible with almost all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old. Our filters are made with a high-quality micromesh material. This ensures that the charcoal stays inside the filter, preventing any clogs in your coffee maker. Experience the best-tasting coffee right at home. These filters remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal. We care about the planet. Your replacement filters are shipped with minimal packaging to reduce waste, and each one is individually sealed for freshness. We believe these are the most effective filters available. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer team is ready to assist you. What we like? These filters are designed for a perfect fit in almost all Keurig machines. They use a micromesh material to keep the charcoal contained and improve the flavor of your coffee by removing impurities. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to enhance your daily brew across various Keurig models, these are a great choice. What people say. These Fillable K Cups are a great way to save money and reduce waste compared to pre-filled pods. They are easy to fill with your favorite coffee grounds and fit perfectly in my Keurig machine. The stainless steel mesh filter is durable and allows for a rich, full-bodied brew. Number 4. Keurig My K-Cup Reusable Filter. Enjoy your favorite ground coffee with this reusable filter. Simply add your preferred grounds and brew a perfect single cup. Our innovative multi-stream technology ensures you get the richest flavor and aroma from your coffee. It extracts the best from your grounds every time. This filter is designed by Keurig and approved for most Keurig home brewers. It's the perfect accessory for your coffee routine. Cleanup is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe on the top rack. Plus, it's BPA-free for your peace of mind. While designed for ground coffee, it offers a versatile way to enjoy your brew. Please note it's intended for coffee grounds only. What we like? This reusable filter allows you to brew with your own favorite ground coffee, leveraging multi-stream technology for full flavor extraction. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you love experimenting with different coffee grounds and want a convenient, high-quality brew from your Keurig, this is the filter for you. What people say. The Fillable K Cups are a great way to use your own coffee grounds. They fit perfectly in my Keurig machine and brew a great cup of coffee. I love that I can control the amount of coffee I use and customize my brew. Number 3. Cafe Fill Value Pack by Perfect Pod. Tired of expensive pre-filled pods? Our reusable filters offer the best value, allowing you to save up to 80% on your daily coffee. Enjoy your favorite brew without breaking the bank. Make a positive impact on the environment with every cup. By choosing our BPA-free reusable filters, you're helping to reduce the massive waste generated by single-use plastic pods. Why settle for stale, pre-made coffee? With our reusable filters, you can use your favorite medium ground coffee or grind your own beans for a fresher, more satisfying taste. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Keurig coffee makers, including K-Duo, K-Mini, 1.0, 2.0, and K-Series models. Enjoy your favorite coffee with confidence. Brewing your perfect cup is as easy as filling your favorite coffee, snapping the lid, and brewing. No extra parts or adapters needed, just simple, cost-effective coffee enjoyment. What we like? This value pack offers a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to enjoy your favorite coffee. It allows you to save significantly compared to pre-filled pods and reduces waste. If you're a budget-conscious coffee lover who wants to brew a better cup with your preferred grounds, this is an excellent option. What people say. These Fillable K Cups are a great way to save money and reduce waste. They are easy to fill and clean, and they fit perfectly in my Keurig machine. I love that I can use my own coffee grounds with these Fillable K Cups. Number 2. iFillCup Pods, Red. Enjoy Coffeehouse quality brews right in your K-Cup brewer. Our patented design lets you use your favorite ground coffee for a richer taste or a larger cup. Fill up to 50% more coffee for an incredibly rich brew or a larger cup. This means you can save hundreds of dollars a year compared to pre-filled pods. Creating your own custom K-Cups is simple and fast. Just add your favorite coffee, close the lid, and brew. The airproof design keeps your coffee fresh for months. These pods are designed to work with all Keurig brewers, including 1.0, 2.0, and K Supreme models. Enjoy your custom brews on any compatible machine. Get the best of both worlds, an intensely rich brew or a larger cup perfect for your morning commute. One pod delivers exceptional flavor and volume. We stand by our innovative and durable products. Enjoy a 100% satisfaction guarantee with friendly customer support ready to assist you. What we like. This pod stands out with its patented deep brew filter, allowing you to hold 50% more coffee for a richer or larger brew. It's compatible with all Keurig brewers except Ninja. If you desire a more robust coffee experience or need a larger cup to get through your morning commute, this pod is designed for you. What people say. These Fillable K Cups are a great alternative to disposable ones. They are easy to fill and clean, and they fit perfectly in my Keurig machine. I love that I can use my own coffee grounds with these cups, which saves me money and reduces waste. Number 1. iFillCup Pods, Brew Coffeehouse Quality. Finally, you can brew Coffeehouse quality coffee right in your own K-Cup brewers. Our innovative pods have been recognized by premier coffee roasters and won multiple awards worldwide. Our patented deep brew filter holds 50% more coffee, allowing for an incredibly rich brew. You can even brew 2 8-ounce cups or 1 large 16-ounce mug from a single pod. Creating your own custom K-Cups is simple and fast. Just add your favorite fresh coffee, close the lid, and you're ready to brew. The airproof design preserves freshness for months. Stop overpaying for pre-filled pods. With our pods, you can use your favorite ground coffee and save hundreds of dollars annually. Choose larger counts to save even more. Enjoy the freedom to use your own coffee with virtually any Keurig brewer. These pods are compatible with all Keurig 1.0, 2.0, and K Supreme models, as well as other K-Cup brewers. We stand by the quality and innovation of our products, a promise we've kept since 1993. You are covered by our 100% satisfaction guarantee, backed by our friendly customer care team. What we like. Experience Coffeehouse quality with this pod, featuring a deep brew filter that holds 50% more coffee for a richer or larger brew. You can save hundreds of dollars annually by using your favorite coffee. If you're seeking to elevate your K-Cup experience with premium quality and significant savings, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They are easy to fill and use. The reusable filter is a great way to save money and reduce waste. The coffee tastes just as good as when using disposable pods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.